Hello dear students. So now we are going to study about the bylaws. So bylaw, as you can see, it is the rules and regulation given by the local authority, that is the local municipal corporation. So this bylaw is especially applied for the building construction in the particular city or the town. So bylaws means it is the rules and regulations that has to be followed when we are going to construct home, apartment or flat, anything like that in a particular locality. So let us see what are the objectives or what are the goals of the bylaws. So here you can see the first one, to give the guidelines. So that is, whenever a designer, an engineer or an architect is going to design, construct, plan the buildings, okay, so they have to follow certain rules and regulations. So what are those guidelines? Like, what should be the open space in front of the home, what should be the side and the backside spaces with respect to the home, okay, what should be the setback distances, how much floors we can construct in a particular locality. So all these guidelines are issued in the bylaws. Second one, to prevent the haphazard development. So whenever we are going to follow the rules and regulations given by the municipal corporation, that is the bylaws that has been laid down by them, so it will prevent the irregular development of a particular street. Okay, so there will be regularity, there will be smoothness in the development of the particular locality. Then to control the land development and to check the unauthorized construction. So that is, if there is any encroachment, okay, so if we can tell, there should be no any encroachment of the building onto the road. Like, now there is some rules and regulation that when we consider the road, from the road there should be some distance left till the building, or if we can consider vice versa, if you are going to construct a building, so there should be some distance left between the building and the road. Okay, so that is called the setback distance. So if this law or if this rule of leaving some space beyond the building up to the road, if this is not followed, so then there will be much problems. Okay, so sometimes there may be encroachment means beyond our property extending our building, okay, or beyond our property line extending our building, so that will be the encroachment, and that encroachment shouldn't happen. So that is why building bylaws has been laid down by the municipal authority. Next one, to limit or define the way the new structures are to be built. Yes, whatever the new structures are going to be built, they have to follow certain rules and regulation. As I told you earlier, how much space should be left around the building, okay, how much distance should be left from the building to the road, how many floors should be constructed in that particular locality. All these guidelines are to be followed by the people who are going to construct the new structures in that particular locality. Then, so to provide open space in a plot, yes, providing open space is very important, okay, because of many things. Like, we want much ventilation in the building, we want sunlight to enter into the building, so to have cool breeze, to have much sunlight entering into our building, and to avoid the noise pollution, air pollution and all, which is coming from the vehicles of which are traveling on the road. So from all these factors, it is very essential that we need to provide open space in front of our building. So lastly, to afford or to give safety against fire, noise and smoke. So yes, that's what I was discussing in the previous point. So if our building is very near the road, so there is a chance of air pollution and noise pollution affecting the people who are going to be residing in the building. So if we take our building at some distance from the road, so then there will be no problem from air pollution or sound pollution, or it can also provide fire safety. If at all there is any fire accident that is happening in the building, so there will be some space for the people to run from the building. If at all the building is directly constructed near the road, so if at all there is fire accident, then people will run helter and skelter. So they'll directly come onto the road, and that will cause nuisance to the people, to the public. That's why all these objectives or all these goals should be strictly followed by the people who are going to construct the buildings. So this is what the objectives or the goals of the bylaws.